Water conservation is a key priority at Abbott. Billions of people around the world face clean water shortages. Some of our manufacturing plants are located in areas where water resources are already constrained. So we work with the local community to educate people on water resources and to conserve water as much as possible. Even in areas where water is plentiful, like near our facilities in Ireland, we still have a responsibility to use resources wisely and in a way that preserves them for future generations.
We use water for many different reasons within the plant, predominantly for flushing, cleaning. We also use it as an ingredient in some of our products, and we use it for heating and cooling in various applications throughout the plant.
The wastewater comes out of the plant. We balance the water and pH correct it before it goes to the second stage treatment. We add aeration and we settle out the solids. Coming on to the third stage where we're filtering the water with sand and some additional chemicals. It then goes onto the river where it's discharged as clean, clarified water.
That's a very good sample. Take it down to the lab. Yeah.
This is a sample of our treated water that's going to be released back into the river. As you can see, it's crystal clear. It's actually cleaner than the river itself.
We don't act as a strain on the river. In fact, we return up to 2,000 cubic metres of water each day back to the river. So for every 4 litres of water we take in, we return 5.
In the plant here we see environmental stewardship and operating efficiency to go hand in hand. We're constantly looking at energy efficiency improvements. Over the last 2 to 3 years we installed economizers on our boilers, which recovers the heat from your exhaust ducts to feed water into the boilers. We also improved the oxygen trim control that improves the boiler efficiency.
I work for the Sustainable Energy Authority of Ireland. Our mission is to promote energy efficiency and to promote renewable forms of energy.
So John, since we last met, we've gained certification to the ISO 50001 energy management standard.
There's a major impetus worldwide on energy management, and there was a project to develop an international standard. It's referred to as ISO 50001. And Abbott here in Cootehill was certified to that standard. It means you have a very good control of how you use energy. You understand how you are demanding energy. You're measuring it very effectively.
Our overall target as a division is to reduce our energy use and water use by 20% by 2015.
It's quite an aggressive goal.
It is.
You have great results here, and there's a lot to be benefited by others to seeing the progress that you're making. It's really good to have you on the programme.
The energy and water conservation efforts at the Cootehill plant are great examples of our global environmental stewardship. We constantly work to share knowledge across Abbott. Whether we learn about a best practice in Ireland or in another location, we share it across the company. We also work hard to share information and expertise with the governments where we operate, as well as our partners in the community. We also spend time educating children in the communities where we work.
It doesn't start off nice and clean. There's lots of things in the water, so we've got to filter it.
Patsy from Abbott has been coming to the school as a volunteer. He has been doing different science experiments with the children every week.
This is our bad water from Lisbeth. Horrible stuff, yeah. We wouldn't want that, would we? I have related to this school because I grew up around here and obviously went to school here, and my 4 kids have just passed through the school here.
He first of all outlined the work he does in the plant, and then they set up water filters on a smaller scale.
But can you filter some of that?
Yeah, I'll do my best.
To let the children explore the whole concept of water conservation and water filtration.
For the next layer we're going to use this charcoal. So next then we've sand here.
You see there? Nice clear water coming through.
It's given them a real life experience of science where it's not just what's going on in the classroom.
Safeguarding the environment is a very high priority for everybody within the Cootehill plant. All the people who work in this plant live fairly close. When you work and live in a rural area like this, care for the environment comes as a second nature to you.
Over 40 years ago, I used to bathe and swim with all the locals downstream from this plant. The water quality there is every bit as good now as it was then. So I take great pride in that.
We believe environmental stewardship is closely linked to business efficiency. The potential cost savings from improved water and energy efficiency are significant. Demonstrating environmental responsibility helps to make our products more appealing to customers and makes the company a place where talented people want to work. We are serious about environmental stewardship. We believe good business and social responsibility are one and the same at Abbott.